Hello everybody, my name is Kaan. In this video I would like to talk about Turkish Citizenship program in 2025. What are the updates? Is it still a good program to apply? Current developments in the world and what is the outcome of this program in general. So now there are two main options for Turkish Citizenship program. First of all, first option is investing in real estate in total value of $400,000 in one property or more than one property, 2, 3, 4 property, in total $400,000. Now in Turkey, as interest rates are high for in central bank, there isn't that much buyers in numbers, so the price of the houses does not increase according to dollar lira rate. So there is actually in reality a decrease in the prices because there isn't much buyers because of the interest rates which are very high, and also it's difficult for Turkish people to get credit, mortgage credits to buy a house. So as there isn't much buyers, supply demand rule, the prices are not increasing. In the contrary, they are decreasing. So now in this moment, it's a good time to invest, buy property in Turkey. What are the main areas? Istanbul is a main area with a good return on rent income. Also Antalya, Izmir, Bursa, Ankara are cities where you can get a good rent income. First option is that, and after 3 years of holding the property, you can sell the property with a good benefit on top because in long term properties in Turkey always get value. So you can cash out your property again and you can keep your citizenship for you, your wife and your kids under 18. Second option is depositing $500,000 value into the bank, Turkish bank account. But there is a change and doubt on that. Before this year, you can deposit your money, $500,000 US dollars, to the Turkish bank account. Okay, the bank is changing this amount to Turkish lira, but still this account specifically indexed to dollar. So after 3 years, they give the difference between the USD lira depreciation, and on top of that, they were giving interest rate. But now it is not the case. They are only giving interest rate. So your account now is not protected against the USD lira instability, and if lira falls, you lose your money. I can tell that. There is a risk on that. On the other hand, if dollar does not increase that much, the benefit, the interest rates are high, so you get a good sum of lira as an interest rate. But as I say, there is a risk of, if dollar increase a lot against lira, there is a risk of losing money on this option. So what I see is that real estate option is now better. What are the documents needed? You need your birth certificates, apostilled, kids' birth certificate, wife birth certificate is needed. Police clearance certificate, at least maximum 6 months old police certificate, police clearance certificate is needed. Marriage certificate is needed if you are married. If you are divorced, divorce certificate. If you are single, singleship certificate is needed. On top of that, you need your passport translation. All these documents should be translated into Turkish and notarized. We are doing these operations, of course, and we are applying for you investor residence permit and citizenship. So you can call us. In the explanation, I will put my number and mail, so you can contact us for further questions, I can tell. After getting ready these documents, after investing either in property or in bank, you get a availability document from government that it's like a ticket that you invested in conformity with the rules, so you can carry on with investor residence permit. After getting this conformity paper, we call you so you can come Turkey, and we apply for you first the investor residence permit. After taking investor residence permit, we will apply for you citizenship. Again, in both these situations, you need to give fingerprint in Turkey. So in total, you need to be present inside Turkish borders for 1 to 1.5 weeks for finishing all these investor residence permit and citizenship procedures. After applying for citizenship, generally it takes 7 to 8 months getting the Turkish citizenship announcement. 7 to 8 months. Even we can tell 8.5 months. After getting citizenship announcement, you can either take your passport and Turkish ID from embassies, Turkish embassies in your home country, or if you are in Turkey, you can get it from the population office. We call it nüfus idaresi. From passport and ID, you can get from inside Turkey or outside Turkey. If you get from outside Turkey, the embassy is posting to your home country address. So this is in general the procedure. Now there are lots of conflicts throughout the world. What I can tell is that having a secondary passport in the world is quite important. Apart from the golden visa programs in Turkey, in Europe, like Greece, Portugal, Malta, and Spain, Turkish government is giving directly citizenship. In these golden visa, European golden visa programs, they are giving only residence permit, and after, if you live in these countries, maybe you can get citizenship, but it's not granted. Here, for getting citizenship, you don't need to live here. You can always stay in your home country or the secondary country. Nevertheless, you still get your Turkish passport. This is the advantage I would like to tell you. Thank you for watching me. Please stay updated by following my channel, and you can always reach us for questions about real estate, bank deposits, legal questions about how is the documentation and procedure, so we can answer your questions. Thank you very much for listening us. We continue advising legally about all your legal problems in this channel. Thank you.